What are the consequences of deforestation? When trees will be cut down, then the amount of carbon dioxide which is in the atmosphere will increase. When the amount of carbon dioxide will increase, this will lead to global warming. You have been reading about global warming earlier. So global warming will be caused when the trees will be cut, and this will affect the climate on the earth. There will be global warming. Due to global warming, what will happen? The amount of carbon dioxide will increase. This will trap the sun's heat and it will raise the temperature of the earth. The increase in temperature of the earth will disturb the water cycle, because normally water evaporates when there is heat. If there is more heat, then the water evaporation will be fast and there will be more water, excessive water in the rivers and rain, and it will cause, some places will have more water and some places will have droughts. So it will cause droughts in those areas which are away from the sea. The places which are near the sea, they will have more rain. The places which are away, their water from the ground will evaporate and it will cause droughts. Deforestation is a major cause which results in the change in the soil properties. When there is dryness in the soil, then the soil quality is changed. Physical properties of the soil get affected, and you have read it earlier. If the soil is dry, then the humus in the soil is lost and the soil becomes less fertile. Fewer trees will be growing, and this less trees will result in more and more erosion. When plants will not be able to grow easily on the soil, then the soil will become dry and there will be more erosion. This will affect the natural fertility of the soil. Consequently, the fertile soil which gets covered on the surface will be lost and there will be more deserts, and it will lead to desertification. There will be more deserts produced. Desertification also leads to, when there is deforestation, the first reason we read that it causes droughts. Second is it causes desertification. Deforestation also leads to it will cause decrease in the quality and the capacity of the soil. Water holding capacity of the soil will be affected. When the trees will be cut, then the water will evaporate fast from the soil and therefore the soil will not be able to hold the water. The movement of the water from the soil, whether into the ground, filtration rate and the method will be affected. That means water will go, and when there will be no soil, the soil will become hard, and therefore when it will rain, the water will not go into the ground, and therefore the groundwater level will be decreased. So there will be areas where the water will not go inside and it will remain at the top. Secondly, when this water which is on the soil will collect, it will go into the river and it will cause floods. The other properties of the soil, like nutrient capacity, nutrient holding capacity and texture of the soil, will also be affected. In 7th class you have studied that from the forest, the products which we obtain from the forest, they are obtained by human beings. Now if they are obtained at a fast rate from the soil, then these products will become less. So why do the human beings depend on the forest for the products? If the trees will be affected or they will be cut, then these products from the soil or from the forest will be not available. So what is the solution? The solution is conservation. So when we conserve the forest, that is called conservation of forest, and conservation of forest is taking care of the forest, and this affects the wildlife.